Have you ever wondered why you feel exhausted even on days when you haven't done much? Maybe you've slept well, stayed hydrated, and yet you find yourself lacking the energy to power through your day. The truth is, there might be every day habits lurking in your routine that are secretly draining your energy, and you don't even realize it. In today's video, we'll uncover 5 such habits and, more importantly, how you can break free from them. Stick around, because by the end of this you'll have actionable tips to reclaim your vitality and boost your productivity. Let's dive in. 4. Overloading your morning routine. The first habit that might be draining your energy is overloading your morning routine. It's great to have a structured morning. Maybe you're squeezing in a workout, a meditation session, journaling, reading, and breakfast. But trying to do too much can leave you feeling stressed before your day has even begun. This can lead to decision fatigue, where your brain feels overwhelmed by choices and tasks. To fix this, simplify your mornings. Focus on 2 or 3 core activities that set a positive tone for your day. For example, a 10-minute meditation, a quick stretch, and a nutritious breakfast can do wonders without overwhelming you. Remember, a calm and intentional start sets the foundation for an energized day. 2. Staying glued to your screen. In our digital world, it's easy to spend hours scrolling through social media, binge-watching shows, or answering emails. But too much screen time, especially without breaks, can mentally and physically drain you. The blue light from screens disrupts your circadian rhythm, and the constant flow of information overloads your brain, leaving you feeling fatigued. A practical solution is to implement the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look away from your screen at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This gives your eyes and brain a moment to reset. Additionally, try scheduling screen-free periods during your day to engage in activities like reading a book, going for a walk, or spending time with loved ones. 3. Skipping meals or eating the wrong foods. Your energy levels are directly tied to what you eat. Skipping meals or consuming too much processed food can cause blood sugar spikes followed by crashes, leaving you feeling sluggish. Relying on caffeine to get through the day can also lead to energy dips once the initial buzz wears off. To keep your energy stable, focus on balanced meals with a mix of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Snack on nutrient-dense options like nuts, fruits, or yogurt instead of sugary treats. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Even mild dehydration can lead to fatigue. 4. Neglecting movement. It might sound counterintuitive, but not moving enough can actually make you feel more tired. Sedentary habits, like sitting for long hours, at a desk or on the couch, reduce blood circulation and can make your muscles feel stiff and fatigued. Incorporate movement into your day, even if it's just a short walk, some light stretching, or a quick workout. If you're working from home or in an office, set reminders to stand up and move every hour. Physical activity boosts endorphins, improves circulation, and gives you a natural energy boost. 5. Saying yes too often. The final habit is a sneaky 1. Saying yes to everything and everyone. Overcommitting to tasks, favors, or events can stretch your time and energy thin. When you're constantly trying to please others, you're left with little time for yourself, leading to burnout. It's okay to say no. Start by identifying your priorities and setting boundaries. When you're clear on what matters most to you, it becomes easier to decline requests that don't align with your goals or capacity. Remember, protecting your energy isn't selfish, it's necessary. Energy isn't just about how much sleep you get or how many hours you work. It's about the habits you cultivate every day. By simplifying your mornings, taking breaks from screens, nourishing your body, staying active, and setting boundaries, you can transform your energy levels and feel more vibrant and productive. So, which of these habits resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss more tips on living your best, most energized life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.